Disconnect all electrical power from the refrigerator. Remove the safety cage from the lower back of the refrigerator by unscrewing the 4 screws. Then set the cage aside. Locate the compressor board. Using needle nose pliers, remove the spade connectors from the compressor board. Remove the screw securing the compressor board. Lean the board to the left to access the white plug connected to the compressor. Using a flathead screwdriver, pry out the plug to disconnect the compressor board and remove the old board. Install the new compressor board and reconnect the white connector to the compressor. Secure the new compressor board to the compressor with the screw. Hand thread the screw first, then tighten it down. Reconnect the spade terminals to the correct terminals by pushing them on. Reattach the safety cage by hand threading the screws at 4 corners, then tightening them. Finally, reconnect all electrical wiring to their proper terminals.